my God.
Oh, brought you a baby.
What's wrong? What happened?
I think he probably wants you to follow him.
Okay, I get it. Stay here, little one.
He led the way, pausing every now and then to make sure we were keeping up.
This is incredible.
Oh my God. Is this your wife?
Poor girl, she's in terrible shape.
Hang in there. We're almost there.
Don't worry, you're safe now.
Don't worry, man. She'll be fine.
Get some food. Hey, buddy, you're really hungry, huh?
You feeling better, girl? Hey, what'd I tell you? She's fine. See, man?
Hey, sweetie, come have some milk. Look at your precious babies. What a couple of lively little ones.
No. All right, take care. I'll miss you.
They came back for us.
They actually did. Go on, meet them.
Mr.